I am so excited about this. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm like bent over, so I'm just gonna take a step back and we're gonna do it from here. I am Julia, I am a content creator. I live in Buffalo, New York, and I love making videos about content creation, lifestyle, life with celiac disease, eating gluten-free, all the things. I am dressed super cozy. We're having a casual day, but I have something really fun that I want to do in today's video because we got a package from Sephora. So I wanted to do a little Sephora unboxing because we treated ourselves to some new makeup essentials. I did a $147 Sephora haul, and I'm gonna show you every single thing that I got in the haul. So let's get into it. I am so excited for all these things. I can't wait to show you everything. I'm gonna also try on a number of these things. So let's get into the haul one by one. We've got 7 products. I'm gonna start with number 1 because this is the only thing that I'm probably not gonna show you. I bought myself a new foundation brush. This is brush 118. And it is a Makeup Forever brush. I needed a new foundation brush, and this brush looks so good. It's a really nice brush. There's like some solid weight to this piece here.
It almost is like a teardrop shape
of a brush. I'm not sure if I'm kind of supposed to fan the bristles out a little bit, but I am so excited to use this for foundation. As you can see, that took forever. But this is item number 1. This is a foundation brush. I am so freaking excited about this. So let's get into item number 2. Also, from a price standpoint, that brush is the most expensive thing that I got in the haul. That brush was $45. So moving on to items number 2 and 3, I got the Tarte Take Awake eye highlighter in 2 different colors, and those are each $24. So this is the Fake Awake. I'm obsessed with this product. It goes on so seamlessly. It's like a glossy eyeliner, and it really does make your eyes look very, very brightened up. I already have it in this color, which is like the nude color. It literally just says eye highlight, and then they have the white eye highlight. So they literally only make 2 colors in the Tarte Fake Awake, and I'm obsessed. And because I already have this color, I'm not gonna open this one because I already have an opened one, but I don't have this color. So we're gonna open up the white highlight together. If you know me, you know I have only gotten into makeup quite recently in my life. I know a lot of
people get into makeup
when they're a lot younger.
I'm like pretty old
for getting into makeup, but I'm obsessed, like literally obsessed. So there is this little side, which is, I think if you like kind of mess up, it's almost like a little eraser.
It's amazing. And then
this side has the pencil, so it's a little roller versus a pencil, which I really, really like. I feel like I don't know, I feel like you get less product with these, but I do feel like they're smoother, whereas I feel like a pencil, an actual eyeliner pencil, can sometimes be so harsh on my inner eyelid. So I've never really done makeup in the viewfinder like this. This might like
literally
skeeve some of you out. So if it does, fast forward. Ooh, I need to do this in the bathroom. I feel like I'm about to poke my eye out. hold. Okay, I just finished putting it on, so my eyes are like a tiny bit red, but I feel like you can already tell the difference. I really do feel like the name is very accurate. Fake Awake is a very accurate name because it really does like make your eyes look brighter. I know that not everyone loves the white and like light eyeliner look. I happen to love it. I think it's very, very flattering, super complimentary. I don't know, I think people look really good with it. So I absolutely love
The Tarte Fake Awake.
I've gotten this product before. This is not a new purchase for me, but since Sephora was having their Sephora sale, I was like, oh, we're gonna add 2 to the cart. So these are items 2 and 3. The Tarte Fake Awake. So let's move on to item number 4. Product number 4 is a Sephora brow gel. This is one of the 2 cheapest products that I got. This brow gel was only $12. I have never tried Sephora's brow gel before. I got it in the chocolate brown.
Also a little something new for me.
I have been using, you'll see I have a brow gel on, but it is like a clear brow gel. It's almost kind of just to get the brows up, not to add any color. So I was super excited to get a chocolate brown to match my hair and just to try out the Sephora brow gel. Okay, so let's try the eyebrow gel. This is, ooh, oh my God, okay. It's so little. Oh, I love, 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 love. Oop. Okay, I think I just did a little too much in that one spot. I'm gonna have to go to the mirror and even this out. Yeah, let me not go mess this up. Hold, please. Okay, if I'm being honest, I kind of feel like this product is a little bit of a fail only because of the eyebrow stuff that I used before gets like it makes my eyebrows very stiff and like a little bit gluey. And this product is like not interfering with that product in the best way. So I actually feel like my eyebrows are looking worse now, but I don't think it's this product's fault. I feel like it's my fault. But this is what they're looking like right now. I just can't fix this one and I'm not trying to make it worse. So we're just gonna keep on going with it. That was product number 4. Let's move on to product number 5.
In our Sephora haul.
Product number 5 is a Sephora mascara. This was also $12. So I got the Big by Definition mascara. It says volumizing and lash multiplying effect. It is super cute, like a little like lavender bottle. Again, it was $12, super reasonable. I'm gonna go try it on. So this is our before.
And I will show you the after in just a sec.
Oh my goodness, I love it. I feel like that makes such a big difference. I really do feel like doing your brows and your eyelashes and eyeliner, like I feel like these 3 things that I've added since I started the video make such a difference in how your face looks. I didn't do a lot of makeup today, like I didn't put any foundation on. I did a tiny bit of contour, tiny bit of blush stick, that eyebrow gel.
And that was it.
A tiny bit of highlight. But wow, I'm obsessed with the Sephora eyebrow gel and this mascara. This mascara goes on so nicely. Really, really love it. So let's get into the last 2 products in our haul. So item number 6, we have another eyebrow product, and it is the eyebrow pencil. It's the brow pencil by Refi, and this cost $20. That was so much harder than it needed to be. But holy crap, look at this baby itty bitty skinny little pencil. I've never owned something so skinny.
Or small.
Literally ever. So I got the brow pencil in
medium.
Do not twist up more than 2 millimeters. I don't know which side. There we go. Oh my God, it's itty bitty 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 bitty. Okay, I'm gonna go use it a little, especially in this spot, to try and fill that gap in, and we'll see how this eyebrow pencil goes. Okay, so here we go. I filled in, like, honestly, a lot of my eyebrows with the pencil. It's a little dark. It takes a bit of getting used to, and I don't think I did the best job. It's gonna take some practice for me, but I am really excited. Here's a close-up. So that is product number 6, and let's move on to the final product. I am most excited about this one. So last but not least, for $26, we have the final thing that I got, which is the Soft Pinch Luminous Powder Blush from Rare Beauty. I got it in the color Cheer. I am so excited about this. I'm so excited. I'm a big Selena fangirl, and I just love Rare Beauty. I really, really love their stuff, so I am
beyond excited about this.
Look at her. She's gorgeous. Literally gorgeous. Okay, I need to go I'm gonna go grab a little brush.
Should I just use my finger? No. I'm gonna go grab a little brush.
Bring it back, and we're gonna put on a little bit of this blush together. Okay. I brought over a little brush. Oh wow, it's so pretty. Because this is amazing. It's like a blush with highlight already freaking in it. It's so good. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you can kind of see it. I'm so excited. Is it better in the light? It probably is a little bit better right in front of the ring light. Just wanted you guys to get a good look at it. I'm obsessed with this. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. What a fun freaking Sephora haul. This was so good. It was $146. I got 7 things. 2 things for my eyebrows, foundation brush, which I've needed for so long, the eyebrow gel and the eyebrow pencil. They're different things, so I'm really excited to get to use both of them, figure out which ones I like using in which moments, if I want to use them together. I'm so excited about this blush. This was really a real treat myself item. I didn't need any blush, but I wanted to try this so badly, and I'm so glad that I did, because I feel like I'm gonna wear this like all spring and summer.
I am so excited about it. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So yeah, if you guys liked this Sephora haul, hit the thumbs up. Let me know which product in the haul you liked the most. I also love the mascara that I got. I'm loving my little makeup now.
I've got a full face of makeup now.
Because I took you through all these new fun products, so I'm just super excited. If you know me, you know by now that I'm a big advocate of treating yourself. As you've seen in this channel, we do a lot of hauls here, but we never overspend. We always spend mindfully. We love to shop a sale. We love to return something if it doesn't work for us, and we love to be super mindful about our purchases, right? So I could have gone buck wild for the Sephora sale. There are so many things that I've had my eye on and wanted to try.
Things like
Rare Beauty blushes and all that kind of stuff. And what I realized was I'm gonna wait to do that kind of shopping until I've used all the makeup products that I have.
I really did need a new mascara. I needed a new eyebrow gel.
I have never had an eyebrow pencil, and I've been wanting one. I don't have a good foundation brush. I've been wanting one. So there were a number of things that were on my list to mindfully invest in, and that's just the way that I really like to recommend when you guys are shopping. Don't become victim to the sale. Just because there's a sale, you buy a bunch of things that you don't necessarily need. Wait to stock up when there is a sale, but you actually do need those items. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. If you do, hit the thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. And I will show you the app.